Hello students, today we are going to start our fifth poem and that is Stay Calm. And this poem is written by Grenville Gleiser. So today we are going to learn summary of this poem. Now listen carefully. Page number 74. When we feel like speaking something and if our words would make us feel regret. Regret it means to be sorry or insulted which is difficult to forget. So here the poet is trying to tell us that sometimes we like to speak something and our words are this kind of words we speak that those words after some time we feel sorry for those words, whatever words we have spoken, and those words whatever words we have spoken, for those words we feel insulted, and that thing is very difficult to forget, that we like to speak something but those words are very regretful words, those words are very insulting words we have spoken. It is high time to restrict. Restrict it means to limit our anger and keep mental space. So this is the time. On this time we have to limit our anger and keep our mental peace. Stay calm at that time. Don't be angry. When we are mentally calm, all wicked thoughts, wicked it means sinful or extremely unpleasant thoughts disappear. Stop to exist or invisible. So when we are mentally very calm, very silent, very peaceful, so that time all the sinful thought, unpleasant thoughts completely disappear from our mind. It means completely ends there this kind of unpleasant wicked thought from our mind. When we are deceived it means to cheat or insulted, it is easy to get annoyed. Annoyed it means be slightly angry. So if anybody deceive us, it means cheat us. So that time it is very easy that we get angry, slightly angry on that person. It is easy to get angry, also it is easy to feel disappointed, and that time we feel very angry, and that time we also feel disappointed. There we lost all our hopes. Even if anybody disobey us. Disobey it means refuse to obey. Refuse it means say no, and obey it means follow any instruction or command. Even if anybody disobey us, we feel irritated. Irritated means be or make angry. Even if anybody disobey us, we feel angry. And sometimes if we tell someone to do something and that person refuses to follow your instruction, your order, so that time also we feel some kind of anger, we become irritated. It is natural, and there is not anything special in you to feel irritated, to feel angry. It is natural, every person feel in this way. But we have to win battle against selfishness and spite. Spite it means ill will. Ill it means bad, will it means our desire. So bad desire about someone, something. Spite and for the mental silence is necessary. So this is the battle of our mind, our heart, our feelings. If you are in a situation, that situation makes you angry, so that time also you have to keep your calm, you have to keep your mind very calm, very silent, peace in a peace. So that time your mind will win that battle. But if you become angry, so you will lose that battle, that war. Sometimes it may happen that although we are right, we are ignored. Ignore it means not pay attention. Ignored and disobeyed. So sometimes this happens that you are right, whatever you are doing, you are speaking, you are right in that, but people don't pay attention towards you, or people don't obey you, don't follow your instruction, don't listen your instruction or command. We should keep it in mind that we have to deal with the inner enemies. So that time we have to think about one thing, that the outer people are not our enemy, our inner enemies are our main enemies. It means our bad thought, our ill thoughts, those are our main enemies, and we have to fight against them, and always we have to keep our mental peace, mental silence, mental calmness. So mental peace is essential. Essential it means very important. So for this we need mental peace, and mental peace is very essential, very important for any person to live a better life or very calm life. It needs mental balance. When we deal with our enemies, mental peace is required. So if you need to maintain a mental peace, so that time we need a mental balance, and for that we need mental peace. We should maintain mental balance and behave accordingly. If we do that, we have certainly mastered the most vital. Vital it means very important, vital thing in life. So when you will be mastered in this thing, that somebody is trying to make you angry, but you are being calm at that time, so that time you will be the master of that thing, controlling on your mind, on your heart, not being angry on that person or that thing. It is staying calm amidst struggle and quarrel. Struggle it means our efforts, and quarrel it means angry, dispute or argument. So it is staying calm amidst struggle and quarrel. So when you are struggling, when you are doing effort, forceful effort to be successful, to achieve anything, and that time you are having some kind of angry dispute, angry argument with someone or any other person, and that time you are keeping your mental peace, so you are the master in that skill, you are the real calm person at that time. So in this way, this poem ends here. And this part also ends here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.